Hello and welcome back to my channel Inspired by Anushka. Guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss the topic environmental pollutants because we are on the way to discuss about the topics of the pollution and the pollution of air and water. So on this way now there is a chance for the brief discussion on the topic environmental pollutants. So let's start without doing any delay. The principal pollutants which pollutes our air, water, land are as which I am going to describe one by one. That is called the deposited matters. Deposited matters में आते हैं soot, smokes, tar, dust, grit, etc. Second है gases. So one by one you can note it down, and for its example I am discussing, and I am also giving the examples too with the related topics. So the first one is the deposited matters, and the second one is the gaseous pollutants, that is oxides of nitrogens, sulfur, carbon monoxide, halogens, that is chlorine, bromine or iodine. These are too much harmful for environment and for we human beings also. So these are the gaseous pollutants. Now the term comes for the acidic droplets. So sulfuric acid, nitric acid are the examples for the acidic pollutants, and then after fluorides, so it may be any fluoride of the which are also a pollutants parts. Now metals pollutant, that is mercury, lead, iron, zinc, nickel, tin, cadmium and chromium affects the environment very badly. Then agrochemicals pollutants, that is biocides, pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, nematicides, bactericides or weedicides. These are the examples for the agrochemical pollutants. So up till now we have discussed about the deposited matters of pollutants, gaseous pollutants, acidic pollutants, fluorides pollutants, metal pollutants and agrochemical pollutants. Now we are going to discuss on the complex organic substance which are also a part of pollutants, that creates benzene, ether, acetic acids and benzene, etc. So photochemicals oxidants are also creating harmful effects on the environment, that are also the pollutants. So photochemicals smoke, ozone and peroxyacetyl nitrite, pre-oxybenzoic nitrates and nitrogen oxides, aldehydes and ethyls are also the example of the photochemical oxidants. The next one is the solid based pollutants, in which we study about the grit and all the extra things which we are going to observe as the solid wastes. And the next one is the radioactive waste, which is nowadays becoming very famous and very popular in creating a harmful effect on our environment, and one of the most important pollutants in nowadays. The last one is the sound. Sound is also a environmental pollutants because it can also harm, and physically it can affect the humans and any other organism also, like birds also it harms. So sound is also a type of pollutant. So here we can come back to a conclusion that what type of pollutants we have discussed. The first one is the deposited matters, that are also the pollutants. The second one is the gaseous pollutants. The third one is the acidic droplets pollutants. The next one is the fluoride pollutants. Then after metals pollutants, agrochemical pollutants, complex organic substance, that are also the pollutants, photochemicals pollutants and solid waste, radioactive waves and noise. So guys, these are all the forms of pollutants which we have going to discuss in this chapter one by one. Firstly, the main thing which we have to study is the pollution, and here that these pollutants are the reasons for creating pollution. So it's very important to deal with before the topics of the air pollution and what is water pollution. it's very important and essential for me to give you the brief discussion about the what is pollution and what are pollutants and what are the different kind of pollutants that creates and that causes pollution. So a substance when it become pollutant, when its concentration increase beyond a certain permission or the limit in the environment, so then this all these parts for the deposited matters, gaseous, acidics, fluorides, metals, agrochemical complex, organic substance, photochemicals, or the solid waste, radioactive waste, or the noise, this all, if it is increased beyond its limit, then it will become a pollutant for the environment. Guys, I have tried to give you every knowledge or acknowledge you all on this topic. If you like this video, then please press the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell button for getting my latest video. Thank you so much for being with me. Thanks once again.